Imagine this. You're standing by a river, expecting to see clear, pristine waters, typical of Alaska's breathtaking landscapes. But instead, you're greeted by streams that are an unsettling shade of bright orange, as acidic as vinegar. Today, I'm diving into why this is happening and what it means for our environment. Alaska's rivers are undergoing a dramatic change, and not for the better. The culprit? Acid mine drainage. This occurs when rainwater seeps through abandoned mine wastes, reacting with sulfide minerals to produce sulfuric acid. This acid then leaches out heavy metals like iron, copper, and arsenic from the surrounding rocks, contaminating the water. The result is not just visually shocking, but environmentally catastrophic. These toxic metals can devastate aquatic life, disrupt ecosystems, and even contaminate the water supplies that local communities rely on. Now, you might be wondering, how widespread is this issue? It's not just a few isolated spots. Numerous rivers across Alaska are facing this acidic dilemma. Efforts to address this include treating affected waters and sealing off old mines, but the challenge is monumental. As we wrap up, think about the impact of human activities on our natural world. What part of this situation surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful environmental content. Together, let's stay informed and advocate for our planet.